Now let's look at this exponential equation. Okay, we have 5 exponent x plus 5 exponent x equals to 150. How do you solve for x? Okay, now we can take 5 raised to x out here. So this side will leave it 1 plus 1 equals to 150. So we have 5 raised to x. So 1 plus 1 is 2 equals to 150. So let's divide both sides by 2. So this side will be 150 over 2. So we have 5 raised to x, 2 here 1, 2 here 2 7 14, 110, 5 75. Okay, now let's adjust the right hand side. Let's break this down. So 75 the same as 5 times 15. Okay, and we can also say 15 is the same as 5 times 3. So this one can be written as 5 squared times 3. I've done nothing. Okay, so let's group the 5 people on one side. So I'll get this over 5 squared equals to 3. So let's perform this is division. So I'll subtract the powers. X minus 2 equals to 3. So we are after x. So what do? We need to bring this one down. So we can take log on both sides. So let's take log on both sides. X minus 2 log 3. So we have x minus 2 becoming power rule log 5 equals to log 3. So we can open this one. So we have x log 5 minus 2 log 5 equals to log 3. Okay, so we can say x log 5 log 3 plus 2 log 5. So let's divide both sides by this log 5. So let's do it 10 by 10. So this one will go. I will left x here. Okay, so this side will be log 3 over log 5 plus, so this side plus 2. Okay, so when we are given log a over log b the same as log a to base b, so we can say x same as 2 plus log 3 to base 5 as our answer. Okay, so let's go back to the equation and see if our answer is correct. Okay, so we have 5 raised to x plus 5 raised to x. So let's substitute. So we have 5 the power log So we have 2 plus log 3 5 plus 5 okay. All right, so this one is the same as 2 times. So let's write 1 2 plus log 3 to base 5. Now this one, since we have the base as 5, we can go ahead and split this one into 2, same as 5 to the power 2 times 5 to the power log 3 to base 5. Okay, now in case we're given a raised to log x to base a, the answer is x. So we have a here, a there. Okay, so all right, so this one is the same as 2. So we have 5 squared 25 times, so this side is 3. Okay, so we have 2, so we have 3 5 15 5 1 3 2 75. So 75 times 2 2 5 10 0 2 7 14 15. So we have 150. So hence proved this side is 150. All right, so that's that. This question. Okay, we are given 3 exponent x squared equals x. How do we solve x? Okay, now let's bring this power down. Okay, and before we can do that, we have to take log on both sides. So we can go ahead and take natural log on both sides. 3x 3 exponent x squared equals to natural log of x. Okay, so in case we're given natural log of, let's say, 4 exponent x is the same as x natural log of 4. So the x squared will come down, x squared natural log of 3. All right, so we have equals to natural log of x. All right, now we are heading towards the application of Lambert W function. Okay, we are going to apply the Lambert W function. So let's group the x on one side. So I'll divide both sides by x squared. So my next step will be this over x squared. Okay, so natural log of 3 or ln of 3 is the same as, now we can rewrite this one as ln of x times, so we can say x raised to negative 2. The same as that. So I've done nothing. Okay, now let's observe something. Before we can apply the Lambert W function, let's introduce the natural log function. So in case you are given e raised to ln of box, okay, the same as box. Now with the Lambert W function, we need to introduce the e, because if you are given, let's say, p, okay, times e raised to p, and you are asked to find the Lambert W function of this. This one will be P. So we need to introduce the E here. Okay. Now, we can support this one since E raised to ln of x is x. E raised to ln of x raised to negative 2 is x raised to negative 2. We can rewrite this one as ln of x e ln of x raised to negative 2. Why are we introducing the e? Now, because we want to introduce the Lambert W function, that's why we are introducing the e here. That's the idea. Okay. So the next step, we have a chart of that. So we can perform, this one is a power rule. So we can say ln of x e. So we can say minus 2 ln of x. Now with the Lambert W function, now is something, okay, ln of something. So what we have here must be what is here. So let's check. We have negative 2 ln of x, but there is no negative 2 attached to this. So we can do that by multiplying negative 2 on both sides to make it equal with negative 2 ln of 3 goes to negative 2 ln of x e ln of x. Lambert W function. So let me bring this one here. So okay, so let's go ahead. Let's take the Lambert W function. So Lambert W function e. Okay, so we have W function of that equals, so this one something e raised the same thing is minus 2 ln of x. Okay, so let's focus on the right hand side since we have to solve x. So let's remove the minus 2. So I'll divide both sides by negative 2, which will be left with ln of x equals to Lambert ln of that over minus 2. Okay, so just as we said, e raised to ln of something is that thing. We can remove the ln here by taking e on both sides. So I'll raise both e. So we have e raised to ln of x. I'll do same to this side. W over minus 2. So this side will go left x equals, so you can choose to write this one as e negative ln of 3 all over 2. So this is the final answer. Alright, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Alright.